Okay, so I want to make a quick video. I'm not going like this, which is kind of weird, not holding it for my hand today, but I'm doing a little demonstration. And what I want to do is make a quick video regarding how to tell if a girl is ready for you to kiss her at some point throughout the night, or she wants to kiss you at some point throughout the night, okay? So oftentimes, right? Oftentimes with females, one of the best ways to tell if they're attracted to you is if they're touching you first, okay? Let's say they touch your shoulder, they might rub your wrist, right? Feel your chest, okay? Rub your leg, whatever it is. If they're initiating contact with you, that means they are into you, okay? That means they're really into you. Now, another way to tell is if you can touch her shoulder, touch her neck, her face, whatever it may be, right? She's okay with you touching it, right? She's okay with it. She doesn't freak out. She doesn't pull back. She doesn't get all, ooh. That means she's generally into you. If she pulls back, you got a little more work to do, okay? Fine, whatever. You're on Team Fortune. You can attract any girl, not an issue. Regardless, this is one of the best ways to tell if a girl wants you to maybe kiss her throughout the night. Maybe she wants you to take her home with you. You don't know what it might be, but this is one of the best tests. And you might be in a group setting and it's not possible to kiss her right now because she's with her group of friends, right? She's with a group of friends. She's not gonna kiss you and make out with you in front of a group of friends. Maybe she's with a group of guys. She doesn't wanna do that, okay? A lot of times girls don't wanna make out in front of their friends because it's kind of like a slutty-ish type look in their mind. Is it? Who the fuck cares? They don't want to. It's a little roadblock. It's okay. This is one of the things that you can do to tell how fucking into you she actually is, okay? So what this is what I call the slow high five. The slow high five. And a lot of fucking, pickup artists will do it. A lot of bachelors will do it. A lot of guys who are really good at game will actually naturally do this. And they might not even realize that they're fucking doing it. But what they're doing is creating tons and tons of attraction. It shows, and it's just kind of verbalizing that I'm a high status dude, okay? So what this is sometimes like throughout the interaction, you might say something and that kind of impresses you, right? So let's just say I'm a Red Sox fan, okay? So let's just say I'm visiting, I don't know, Kansas City. And I'm over in Kansas City and we're talking about the Red Sox. I'm like, oh, we're the last year's world champions. It's fucking awesome. She might say she's a Red Sox fan too. She's like, oh, I love the Red Sox. I'm like, cool, you're on my team. High five, right? And I offer the slow high five. And girls, naturally, when a high status dude wants to give them a high five, it's validation. And girls, they want validation from high status men. So when the high status guy gives them a high five, right? She's gonna go in for it naturally, not even thinking about it. Now, if she goes like this, you wanna spread your hands, right? You have your hands spread, and she goes for the high five, and she interlocks with you, right? She interlocks. That means she's fucking into you, especially if she's doing it first. She goes like this, she's fucking into you. She's fucking into you, and it is your job to pull some sort of move, maybe in that moment, maybe pull her aside or pull her away from her friends, whatever it may be, but she's fucking into you. She's ready for you to kiss her, okay? She's ready for you to kiss her, okay? If she is not interlocking those hands, okay? Now, naturally, right? We as females, okay? Females and us, right? Even guys, we only interlock hands with people that we are close to, that we feel connected to. And if we feel connected with someone, a female interlocks their hands with another male, they feel connected with them on a deeper emotional level. They feel like they know them a little more because they're interlocking. They're not like this. We're not handshaking. We are interlocking, okay? Interlocking hands means interlocking your penis into her pussy in the future. That's the way she sees it in that specific moment, okay? So it is a good fucking sign if she's doing that first. Now, let's just say, this is a little tip, okay? This is a little advanced tactic for you, okay? Really advanced shit. Let's just say you're in the bar and I say the Red Sox thing and she doesn't interlock the hand. She's just kind of like this. Generally, most of the time, in fact, 98% of the time, if you just naturally go down first, she'll follow because she's following the leader because you are the high status dude. You are a high status male making a bold fucking move. You're taking action. You're being a leader. You are being the trustworthy one. She feels trust in you and she's naturally, when you're taking control of the situation, she sees a man in control. Very hard to find nowadays because fucking a lot of these dudes are average, don't know what the fuck they're doing, waiting for approval from her. But if you go here, you fucking make the move, you fucking interlock those hands first, she's naturally gonna do it and follow with you, okay? She's gonna follow with you naturally because you are taking control. And when you're taking control, she finds attraction, man. Then when that happens, when she's interlocking these hands, their hands are interlocked with you for like a second or two, right? She's naturally going to be like, fuck, I'm into him. I'm really fucking into him. And she's naturally going to want to kiss you because her subconscious is telling her she only interlocks hands with people that she is emotionally connected to, okay? And when you are emotionally connected to her, fuck, man, she wants your fucking D in her mouth, in her pussy, spread out, whatever the fuck it is, okay? So this is a great way to tell if she wants to kiss you. And if she's doing this, she wants to kiss you. And it's evil because you can do this and she can tell that she wants to kiss you at some point when you're even taking control. Now this, and I'm going to even go deeper into this, okay? This is so powerful that it will even kind of work with girls with fucking boyfriends or maybe their fathers at the bar, whatever it is. So if you, like, let's just say you're talking about, and I don't recommend you use this on girls with boyfriends or anything, okay? I'm not advocating for this. If a girl has a boyfriend, stay the fuck away from her. You know what I teach, okay? We know what I teach. I don't want that shit, okay? But if you can, even if you use it on a girl, you might not know she has a boyfriend, right? And you go like this, and you interlock hands, and she'll follow with it. In that moment, for the next, like, minute, okay, she'll be like, fuck, I really like this guy. I think he's cool. And she'll forget that it's so powerful that it will go over the roadblock that she has a fucking boyfriend, okay? She'll forget about it at that moment. And then you'll notice her start to pull back when she's like into you like this, and then she starts to pull back like that. And you notice throughout the night that she's gone. She's like kind of being cold to you and everything, even though at that moment she was like really connected to you. The reason is because she was so connected to you that it was, and she overwent this roadblock. She's like, holy shit, I really felt this fucking connection towards him, but I have a boyfriend. I gotta stay away from him because I know that if I continue this conversation, it's going to leapfrog, and I might eventually cheat, okay? So sometimes there are roadblocks. You'll see the girl start to pull back. That's the reason why, because this shit is so fucking powerful that she doesn't even want to talk to you anymore because she will get you, she will probably cheat on her fucking boyfriend because of that, okay? And again, I don't want you to use it on girls with boyfriends. I'm telling you, this is just a good way to create this strong fucking attraction. Boom, boom. That's it. High five, slow high five. And you don't want to give a high five like this. You give your high fives like this. It's a fucking widespread. You're spreading your fingers out like you're spreading your fucking cock out to piss, okay? Do that.